The wall foam insulation is slowly injected into the wall, filling the whole wall with no empty space. We fill the entire wall, and your home is now protected. See? No wasted space. Wall foam can even work with existing insulation, filling the gaps of wasted space that fiberglass and cellulose were unable to seal. Then, the holes are patched with a secure beveled plug. Your walls will be completely sealed. Afterwards, cleanup is easy, and the excess foam is washed away. The foam is water soluble and safe for the environment. Then all your vinyl siding is reinstalled and your home looks as good as new.